How to link your social club account with your Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can link your social club's account with your Steam. So without any delay, let's begin. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Rockstar Games launcher. I'm using the website, but you can just make sure that you have the launcher on your device. After you've done that, you can head over here to check out if you can add your or link your social club to your Steam. So head over to your settings. Under your settings, you will see your manage account settings. So after you're on manage account, head over to linked accounts right here. You will see that there is no option for Steam. So there is no direct way you can link your Steam and your social club. But what you can do is you can open up your Steam. After you open up your Steam, you can head over to library, and under library you can download or you can add a game that is not Steam's. So you can add non-Steam's game. You can just choose here, you can browse Steam, you can add a non-Steam game, and from here what you'll need to do is choose your Rockstar's launcher. So just select your Rockstar's launcher and tap on add selected program, and after you tap on add selected program, your non-Steam game will get added and your Steam and your social club will get linked. And it's that simple guys, and that is how you do it. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.